Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Realtek audio problem in Windows 11. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe and like in this video. First you need to open setting by pressing Windows plus I. It will be open settings menu. You can just search for setting, that also can open. Then after under the system section you need to scroll down until you find troubleshoot. Just tap on it and tap on other troubleshooters. And you need to find playing audio option. You can see it is right here. In your case it will be in the bottom side also. Just check on it. Then after tap on run, it will be find the problems related to Realtek audio and guide you through how to fix that one. And you can see in my case it asks which device has a problem. In my case this one. Just tap on next. Then it will be find the errors and already fixed that. If this one is not working, you have to follow with further steps. Next you need to update Realtek audio drivers. To do that, press Windows plus X, go to device manager here. In here you need to scroll down, then you will find option called sound, video and game controllers. Double tap on it, choose the device you need to update the driver, right click on it, tap on update driver and choose the first one. And it says it is already installed. Go back, choose the second one, again choose this one and choose the current audio device and tap on next. This will reinstall the already drivers for in your computer and it will be fix your issue. So if that also not working, you have to reinstall Realtek audio drivers. To do that, again you need to press Windows plus X, go to device manager, again go to sound, video and game controls, choose the device, right click on it, tap on uninstall device and again you need to tap on uninstall. This will uninstall the audio driver and then after you need to restart your computer. Then it will be automatically reinstall the drivers and check again the audio drivers is working or not. And if it is not working, you have to disable audio enhancement. To do that, press Windows plus I. It will be open settings menu. Under the system section, go to sound. It is right here and you need to select your audio device. In my case it is this one. Just tap on it and scroll down. There is option called enhance audio. You can see it is turned off. In your case it is turned on. You have to turn it off. Then check again it is working or not. And if that also not working, you have to restart audio services. To do that, press Windows plus R and you need to type services.msc like this. Then after tap on OK and scroll down until you find Windows audio. Yeah, it is right here. What you need to do is right click on it, tap on restart. It will be restart the audio services. Then after you need to check again it is working or not. And if that also not working, you have to check audio output device. To do that, press Windows plus I again. It will be open settings menu. Under the system you need to go to sound. Under the output section, check again, ensure the correct audio device is selected. In my case speakers are the correct one, so it is corrected. So check whether it is correct or not. And the last one you can do is system restore. To do that, go to search bar, search for control panel. Here it is. Just tap on it. When it is open, make sure you are view by large icon. Then go to recovery option here and tap on open system restore and it will be find the restore version in previous version. So you can choose whatever version you like, then tap on next. Then it will be restore your computer to previous version. And if you install some kind of latest software, then it will be reset to previous version. So these are 7 methods you can try to fix your Realtek audio problem. And if none of these methods are not working, that mean you have hardware damage. So you have to check the hardware is properly working or not. So Yeah, if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe my channel and liking this video.